YouTube, man? Your boy coming through with another video. Man, I'm just driving right now. I'm about to go cut somebody. I know I haven't uploaded video in like 3 weeks, so I'm just giving y'all a little vlog today. I'm about to go cut somebody right quick. Yeah, it's just, you know what I'm saying? It's a daily vlog. If you want to watch it, go ahead and watch. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Shit. Yeah. But yeah, we driving right now. We driving this motherfucking shit. If y'all seen, I was driving with no hand. I was really talking to the camera and shit. If y'all don't know how to drive, which I need, I'm gonna have to learn how to do that. I'm gonna really have to learn how to do that. Cause you know what I'm saying? Driving with your knee really helps. Like, it comes in time where if you need to eat some food, you know what I'm saying? It comes in clutch. But yeah, I know y'all just want to see me drive with no hand. I'm just gonna stop talking and just do that, right? No hand, just legs. But yeah, I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. The last video went crazy, but I was trying to upload another one, but the weather wasn't, you know, helping. That's the only problem. So I'm just giving y'all a little vlog today, just, you know what I'm saying, something for y'all to watch. I know, and it feels bad not uploading in so long. I just want to drop a video, and this a vlog. You feel what I'm saying? Like a little quick. Nothing too much, nothing too, you know what I'm saying, little, just a little driving POV. I don't know if y'all want to watch, but yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna do the work. I advise y'all, do not try this, man. This is very dangerous. Like, if you're not comfortable doing this, do not try this. Please do not try this. This is not no joke. You feel what I'm saying? I've seen a couple people crash doing this. I've seen a lot of accidents happen from doing this, but me, I'm very comfortable driving, so do not try this. Damn, you gonna slide over or not? Like, yo. So people who don't know how to drive like this, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta pass them boys, cause they can't make up their mind. So, like, you either gonna make it right, or you just gonna stay in that lane. Like, choose one. And people like this with the truck, man, I don't like them. They just don't know how to drive, so. now I got my bag. I'm gonna go get that boy cut right quick. And yeah, like, you know what I'm saying, had to change my, had to take the jacket off, had to change my shirt. You know what I'm saying, had to get a little clean, you feel what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get inside and I start, you know what I'm saying, cutting.
God damn, that shit burned.
I told you. Yeah, my camera died, but I'm done with the cut. I'm finna give him the mirror, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna see his reaction. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it's good. Then we got the...
Yeah, boy.
Oh, yes, kids. Yes, kids. Shit came out clean as fuck. Woo.
This case.
Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah, thank you, my boy.
Oh, yeah.
Go, boy. It's over. Wait till I go outside.
What's gonna happen if you go outside?
Bro, first lady I see, you gonna compliment my cut. And in this case, finna get the number off the cut alone.
Man, if y'all like this video, man, go ahead, subscribe, like, and comment. Comment down below what video you want to see. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. Giveaway at 1,000 subs, so go ahead, subscribe, and leave a comment. And yeah, we gone.
Trapped in the box, feel like I can't breathe. These niggas my sons, it ain't hard to see. Strike like a viper,